mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontakt mo si Ho Huaping? Anong pagkaalam mo sa ugnayan nila?
Sa pool.
Are they business partners, for example?
I don't think so.
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Oh.
Told by?
Kasi po,
What kind of a relationship?
ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's
Okay,
it.
so that's why you asked Mayor Kalugay paano kontakin si Go Huaping.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
kinikilig to si Alice Go. Kita mo?
Natatawa pa
Go
po yung
Huaping.
She's squirming on
Okay.
her.
Okay, sandali lang. You're not yet recognized to speak at this moment. So, Miss Maslog, after nagtanong kayo kay Mayor Kalugay,